This is Walt, and I recently had a bilateral surgery approximately 3 weeks ago. The reason I decided to have knee surgery is I've had knee problems probably for about the last 10 years. I was struggling getting in and out of the car, and it got to the point where when I wanted to go to the store and shop or whatever, if I didn't get everything done in about 5 or 10 minutes, the pain got to the point where I had to look for a place to sit down. I was leaning towards bilateral surgery was because of the fact that both knees were about the same. And so doing one and then waiting and doing the other was really not going to accomplish a whole lot. An orthopedic surgeon practices out of the Sauk City area in Wisconsin, and his name is Dr. Lamson. Dr. Lamson was very personable, took a very personal interest in my case, and the surgery went extremely well. I was walking that afternoon after surgery. The reason that we chose the X10 is ease of operation and the fact that it was right here in the home. We could do other things and have conversations with people here, watch TV. My favorite part about using the X10 was watching the progress on the unit and actually looking forward to getting on it to see how much more I could achieve.
My name is Yvonne Lacrosse, and I'm a licensed physical therapist assistant. When I was working in outpatient physical therapy, I was always looking for something else that could help these patients to regain their range of motion. So I was very excited to get started and start working with patients with the X10. And what I saw right away are people who just absolutely grabbed onto the concept easily. They loved working with their X10, and they were very compliant with it. When I worked in outpatient therapy, that was a problem. I would ask patients to do certain exercises at home, certain stretches at home, and a lot of times they would say, I'm really not doing the work.
It was very easy to change from the left to the right. It only took probably less than a minute. The X10 was very instrumental in helping me achieve the range of motion that was required, and I ended up getting in the 0 to 126 range in the last couple of days. Now I'll be able to go out and do the things I used to do with regard to yard work, shopping. I'm 100% better than I was before I started all this.